OhioLINK has always kind of been the standard academic library consortium for the country and really for the world. WSU was a founding member. It started out back in 1992, and it was to share resources among member libraries. It's a way to kind of reduce costs and increase access to items for the students at these Ohio institutions. We serve now 500,000 students across the state, over 117 member libraries now. So each day we get the requests from the central catalog.
We're looking over for a book that's going to Cuyahoga County Public Library.
We go up to the shelves, we have someone pull the book, but if we have the book, we go down, we process it in the computer so the other school knows it's on its way. My department really works with the physical items, so we're bagging the books and the CDs up and we're sending them out, and we send maybe 15,000 a year, and we get about 15,000 back for our patrons.
There are still people who want to get their hands on the actual materials. They still want to be able to have the books in their hand and be able to read or page through to find the information that they still want.
The average cost of an academic textbook is about $100. Just the cost for the courier to do a round trip to send the book to us and to have it go back, it's a couple bucks, like $3. But OhioLINK is still trying to stay on the cutting edge of consortium, and their new focus now is on affordable learning and trying to just reduce costs for students in the state.